And a new grant for 11 nonprofits across the state is helping to promote equitable early childhood outcomes. Some of those organizations are here in Eastern North Carolina. Not on Your Side, Ford Sanders joins us here in the studio to share more about who these grants will be benefiting. Ford?
Hey, Julian. Yeah, these grants are coming from the Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina. Now, AMEXCAN is a local nonprofit here in town, and they're now receiving the funds as a part of a 3-year initiative to help better children's lives.
Education is critical and it's important for them to be engaged.
AMEXCAN is a Latino-led nonprofit here in town that works to help provide resources for migrant families and other non-English speaking residents here in Eastern North Carolina. Now, the organization is receiving a grant to make sure children of migrant families aren't being left behind by the system.
We've been doing some work in the organization for the past 20 years, and one of the areas that I think is so critical to address is the access to education, especially for the immigrant families.
Juvencio Rocha Peralta is the executive director at AMEXCAN. He says when it comes to education and support for migrant children, it should be just as important as what's being offered to other children.
Early education is critical for any child.
The grant comes from the Kate B. Reynolds Charitable Trust.
He notes it's going to provide immense opportunity to further help their mission.
The greatest things and excited about this is because it's a 3-year project. So it's going to give us enough time to really evaluate how our children with our immigrant families doesn't have access to those type of programs.
Noting that through collaborations with outlets like the East Coast Head Start program, they're ready to see kids and families flourish.
Program that allows us to support immigrant families that have children, especially some of those families that foster parents that that they don't know how to navigate the system, so that we're going to establish that in our organizations and to continue to build that from there.
Now, along with AMEXCAN, the BERTT County Hive House here in Eastern North Carolina is also one of the recipients from the same trust. More details can be found by heading over to WNCT.com later this morning. In the studio, Ford Sanders, 9 on Your Side.